Hey, so today I'm standing in front of a 5-bedroom villa with private pool, elevator and covered parking. So let's have a see on that. So this will be your community. It's filled with villas and townhouses and with loads of amenity. Just 5% down payment and 25% on construction and 70% on handover. This will be the A611 road, Emirates Road. So easy connectivity to Dubai and Sharjah. So don't miss this opportunity to buy your unit with me. So for more details, let's contact.